Good morning students. In this video, we are going to cover the last part of our topic, that is Human Development Index and India. Okay. So you know that you people are very much acquainted with it, that Human Development Index is produced or is made by UNDP, right? So UNDP compiles a Human Development Index for a large number of countries for which it is able to gather the data. Okay. So using their three indices, you know what are the three indices? LEI, that is Life Expectancy Index, another one is EAI, Education Attainment Index, and the third one is AGDPI, that is Adjusted Gross Domestic Product Per Capita Index. And they use these three indices and prepare HDI. Okay. And they have different scales of measurement, like it ranks countries on the scale of 0 to 1. The scale lies between 0 to 1. They give 0 to the lowest HDI, like the country who are having lowest HDI, they get 0, and the country which have highest HDI, they get 1. So the scale is between 0 to 1. Now the UNDP ranks countries into 4 groups, like very high human development index, high human development index, medium human development index, and low human development index. Very high, high, medium, and low. Very high human development range is from 0.8 to 1, because it lies between 0 to 0.1. So 0.8 to 1 is your very high human development index, and the countries which lie between these like scale, that is Norway, Australia, Japan, and New Zealand. Okay. After very high HDI comes high HDI, very high, then high. High is between the range of 0.7 to 0.8. High is between the range of 0.7 and 0.8, and 0.8 to 1 is your very high. So the countries which lie in this range is China and Sri Lanka. Next comes your medium human development index. India is the part of the medium HDI, and the range for this medium HDI is 0.55 to 0.699, that is between 0.5 to 0.7. And the countries like India, Indonesia, Egypt, South Africa lies between this. Then the last part is your low human development index, that is less than 0.55, 0 to 0.55, that is your low human development index. And the countries which lie in this range is your Nigeria, Uganda, and Afghanistan. Is it clear? So there are 4 categories: very high HDI, 0.8 to 1, and the countries are Norway, Australia, Japan, and New Zealand. Next is your high HDI, that is 0.7 to 0.8. Countries are China and Sri Lanka. Then is your medium, that is 0.55 to 0.7, and the countries are India, Indonesia, Egypt, and South Africa. And the last one is the lowest grade, that is low HDI, that is 0 to 0.55, and the countries are Nigeria, Uganda, and Afghanistan. The HDI report 2019, okay, please go through the latest value. If you are not having the latest edition of the book, just write down in your book so that it will be easier for you all to understand, because I guess in the previous editions it is given till 2015 or 16. So this is the latest edition and you will be getting it till 2019. So the HDI 2019, like its earlier report, has calculated HDI for different countries on the uniform basis by using all the methodologies. Now, and you can say they published the reports in the interval of 5 years since 1980. First they started publishing their report in 1980. At that time it was, the value of HDI for India was 0.369. Again in 1990, means after 10 years, it increases to 0.431. Then 2000, it is 0.497. 2010 0.581, then 2015 0.627, 2016, then it is continuous, 2016 0.637, 2017 0.643, and now it is in 2018 0.647. So we can see that HDI is improving continuously since 1980. From 0.369 it has increased till 0.647 till the year 2018. So the HDI is increasing, the Human Development Index is increasing. India, you know, as it comes under the category of Medium Human Development Index since 1990. Before that it was coming into the low HDI category. Is it clear? Next is your, for the year 2018, out of 189 countries for which UNDP has computed HDI, India ranks 129. Okay, India climbed 6 rank points from 135 in 2013 to 129 in 2018. So HDI is improving. Okay. Next is your, as compared to the most of the developed countries having HDI for 2018 ranging from 0.8 to 0.954, India has much lower HDI if we compare it with other countries. But still, India has performed much better than the most of the comparable countries in terms of average annual growth rate. If we compare the developing countries like Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Nigeria, India ranks better. Okay, there are still other developing countries like Thailand, Brazil, Philippines, Sri Lanka, China, South Africa, Indonesia. They have higher HDI than India. There has been significant improvement in all the components of HDI, like there are 3 components, LEI, EAI and AGDPI, and the growth rate in all the 3 indices are increasing, means overall development in the country is taking place. However, India has a long way to improve HDI, means they have to improve health and education. Like if we compare India with other developed countries or other developing countries, India lies far beneath them. Okay. So which is the first ranked country according to UNDP? That is Norway. After that comes Switzerland. India is in 129th position. Okay. So that's all for today, and with this we have completed our chapter. In our next class we will be studying about statistics. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.